A blessing in disguise. A blessing in disguise is something that seems bad or unlucky at first, but later turns out to be good. Let's look at some example sentences. Losing my old job was a blessing in disguise because it forced me to start my own successful business. Missing my flight turned out to be a blessing in disguise because the airline upgraded me to business class on the next flight. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. Our picnic was cancelled because of rain. Instead, we stayed home and had a fun family game night. The rain was a blessing in disguise because it gave us a wonderful evening together. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.